Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, I will show you how to use the user access node in any action flow to trigger SmartV events. So I have a project set up here. My project has SmartV enabled, and I have two pages. One is a public page that anyone can access. The other is my home page that is behind my login. So, if I save this project and I preview it, I have this button to direct me to my home page, and when I go there, I need to log in. But let's say I want to log in and stay on the same page. So what I can do is I can create a new button here and configure an action flow. I'll add a user action node from System Actions, and I'll trigger the SmartV login. Now, if we save and preview, you'll see when I click login, I'm again presented with a login page. And once I log in, you'll see I stay on the same page, but I'm now logged in. So let's go ahead and head over to our private page and let's configure the logout button. So back in my builder, I'm going to go to my home page. I'm going to go to my logout action flow. I'm going to add a new user access node. And this time, we want SmartV logout. So let's apply this, save the project. If I refresh my page now, and click on Logout, I'm now logged out of the system. And that's how it's done.